Hi everyone, Nadia here from Oxigo. If you use an oxygen concentrator at home, you know it's a vital part of your daily life. In this video, I will share a few simple habits that can help you extend its lifespan and keep it running smoothly for years. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow Oxigo on social media. We share weekly tips to help you get the most out of your CPAP and oxygen therapy. First, make sure your concentrator has open space with good airflow. Place it in a clean, dry area with at least 15 to 30 centimeters of space around it. Avoid corners, curtains, or heaters. Good airflow prevents overheating and helps the filters work efficiently. Most concentrators have one or two filters, a main outer filter and sometimes a smaller internal one. Clean the outer filter about once a week and replace it every few months. You can find compatible replacement filters on our website oxigo.co. A dirty filter makes the machine work harder and can shorten its lifespan. Keep the device away from bathrooms, kitchens, or humidifiers. Moisture can damage the internal components. Also, vacuum or wipe the area around the concentrator regularly to reduce dust. Using your oxygen concentrator regularly keeps the internal parts dry. So, contrary to what you might expect, intensive use will increase its lifespan. And just like a car, it's best to use it for longer periods and not just short runs. Your oxygen tubing should never be pinched, twisted, or pulled too tightly. When you move around the house, make sure there's always a bit of slack, so it doesn't stretch or strain the connector. If your tubing keeps twisting or tangling, try the Everest oxygen tube. It's made of soft, flexible silicone and stays completely kink-free. You will find the link in the description below. A quick visual check every day can help you avoid pressure loss and keep your therapy running smoothly. Even if your concentrator works perfectly, it's good practice to have it checked once a year by a technician. They can test oxygen purity, flow rate, and replace any worn parts before they cause problems. By following these simple steps, you will not only protect your concentrator, but you will also make sure it continues to deliver reliable oxygen therapy every single day. If you need filters, tubing, or accessories, visit oxigo.co to find compatible parts for your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more oxygen care tips. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next video.